Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your Bamboo account is verified and your funding source is ready. Once done, open the app and tap the search bar to find the company you want. Next, press buy and choose whether you will enter a $/NGN amount or a specific share count. The app supports fractional purchases, so small amounts work. Make sure to glance at the current price and fees so your first order reflects what you expect. Now you set order details. Select market for immediate execution or limit to target a specific price. This matters because market orders fill fast but can slip in volatile times. Then type the amount or the precise share quantity you want and watch the app show estimated fees and total cost. If the stock trades in USD while your wallet is NGN, make sure the conversion rate and any FX fee are acceptable before hitting review. Finally, carefully review the order summary. Price, quantity, fees, and currency conversion, then confirm to submit. You should monitor the Orders tab to see execution status and the portfolio to view settled shares. Settlement times vary. If something goes wrong, check funding first if a payment failed, then verify your limit price if the order never filled. Contact Bamboo support with your order ID for rejections or FX discrepancies. Keep records of screenshots and transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.